Hello and welcome. This game, I guess you'll call it, this program rather that I made, is asking me press 1 to confirm order. Do I want to sell 332345358.791 for 10,329 of the DEF? And oh, hell yeah, I do. So let's push 1. There we go. I win the game. What game did I win? Well, I'm going to see how long it took me for both of these to get over 10,000, both the A, B, C, and D, E, F, as I have it in this game. I've changed it from the last time I did this before. I've done some decimal formatting. You've got the option to both buy and sell both coins to decide I want to buy this many or sell many of how many you choose from. And it takes some time to get to 10,000 considering how I've started it off. And it starts with a ratio of 20, and you have 200 of one and 10 of the other. And I'm looking for a decent percentile moves. Like I had 45 down to 17, which was pretty good. And I'll take this one instead. And then I just play this game. Now, this is available in the more information box, the script for this. You need small basic and then then just run the code from this. And well, this is how it is right now. So therefore, market goes up, I sell ABC. Market goes down, I sell DEF. I'm really not pushing the 1 or 3 options at all. And market goes from 20 to 56. So therefore, I can sell about 6 of these, get 335 of the other. Last trade in at 56. And oftentimes, I'll just push it like a bunch of times, like 15 times, and just see what happens. I've closed my eyes now. 40. I'll just keep an eye on the upper part, see how the prices change. But the objective is to get to that many coins. This market's going to go way up or way down, probably both. Okay, 103. It's got to be higher than that. It's flashing too much. This kind of sucks that it's flashing like this. It wasn't doing this before. I guess I gotta go a little slower. And then it stops. Which kind of sucks because there's going to be 194. See, I'm looking for even the big moves. So let's sell some ABC here. Sell the amount of, say, 3. Now we got 1 of one and 1,000 of the other. I want to pull back, but obviously not getting much of one. There we go. That's much of one. So now let's sell DEF instead. And I have 1,100, so sell more than half of it. And I'll pick up 9 of the other coin. So now I got 10 and 500. I still got a long ways to go to get to 10,000 of each coin though. And we are at 62 for the last trade. Do I significantly want to go much lower than 30? I think I would. Selling at like over 140 even. There's 30. I can go lower than that. 27. There we go. So sell some DEF. Maybe sell 300 of them. Add 15. And what we have 1365 from 19 is the last trade. If this goes into the decimals, the rounding up top will come to an end. And this is a big differential going from 19 to 4. So I'm going to sell like a good chunk of it, like 130. So now we got last trade at 470. Up a bit to 14. 13. Man, I should have taken it. Okay. Well, up to 13, 14. I'm going to take it now. I got 53 of them, so let's do 28.445 and put the other one in decimal now. Okay, so owning 25, owning 488. and last trade at 14. Well into the single digits, well over 30. That's well over 30. Owning 25 of the ABC. Let's liquidate 15 of them, add 790. So 53 at the last trade. This thing is going to go to like 5, 6, like 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Or it's going to go into the well in the decimals, like a Satoshi number you'd see in Bitcoin. So it's either going to go well past the Dow or well past fourth or well below 10,000 Satoshi. Put it that way. It's when you do a lot of them. I'm not even looking too much at the price, and I think I just lost out on a possibility, and I did. Okay, 103, 13. There we go. Now we can sell the ABC. Maybe sell 7 of them down to 3. So we're looking to, okay, 56. There's a buy now. Buy the ABC. And I don't want to buy. I want to sell DEF that way, yeah. So I have 2,600 of them. So let's go 1696.03. And now we got 32 and 1,000 on the other side. Still far away from 10 digits, of course. So 56 at the last trade. Down to 23. I want cheaper than that. I want under 20. Nope. Not yet. There's 23 again. Okay, just watching the price move. There's 20 even. And there's 10. Okay, that's a big move. 750. So sell 3/4 of it when you go from differential. Like that's like 5 that's like 460% up on the other side. And now you're getting 72 of these other coins. So now I got 100 and 250, which is decently from where you started, but a long, long, long ways away from 10,000 on each side. So the last price is 10. Let's see. I'm going to go just close my eyes and just do it so it doesn't flash the screen. Okay, then the price hasn't changed. I don't know what it was because I had my eyes closed. But I might as well keep them open, and then I can at least see where the area is, knowing that it's in the 17 area. 23, I want better than that. That's better. That's better. Okay, so we got about of 104, so let's go 64.958. And we have almost 3,000 on the other side on the DEF. And the price is going higher again, but I kind of want over the triple digits, which is where it is now. Sell 25 of them, and now we got 6,000. You wouldn't mind getting even around 50 on the buyback, like even 300, close to 300 to sell. And there's a 500, so that's gonna work out for me. So let's sell some ABC again. Let's go like 8. Probably maybe we could go 9, but now we got up to 10,000. So there we go. We got DEF at 10,000, but only 7 of the ABC in stock. Okay, so up market's up again 66%, but it's got to be well over 1,000, around 200. That's over 1,000, but not well. That's well over the 1,000. So this is working good. Let's sell some ABC. Let's go 4.5 of them. So now you got about 20,000 there. That's pretty good. And the price last trade was 2,000. Maybe we're going to enter the Dow Jones area. 85.57. So we can sell at the ABC. Let's sell 1.5. So we're down to 1. Oh, we might get into a fraction of ownership here. Well, if the price gets to like over 20,000, it will. Now it's got a little bit of retracement. Not anymore. 16, 15. Got up to 17. Now it's down to 9, but still higher than last trade. Now it's lower than, and still lower than. But I want to be significantly lower than that. 6,000, 7. Let's go. I mean, want lower than 4. I guess to make a program faster is say I want to wait till it goes above or below this, and it can fast forward till the next time it doesn't, and it would be instant. But it's all about the game and how you play it. I've programmed it this way, so unless you program it different and go right ahead, this is all you're going to be able to do with it as well. But this is a long wait now for, and in real market conditions, this is realistic. 45, got to be lower than that. Every time it gets close to where I want to buy, it goes higher. Every time it gets close to where I want to sell, there we go, 3,000. Well, not anymore, I guess. So sell some DEF. I got 32,000. So let's go six. No, let's go like 19,139.918 and get 6 and change. So now we go from 1 to 7. A little bit of an increase on the ABC, and well, a lot of an increase. So last trade at 3,000. Okay, 13,000. Now we got some of those ABC to sell. So let's go ahead and sell maybe a 4.798. Get 65,000, and now we got 2.5 of them. Last trade at 13,000. And then what's the strategy? Do you want to move like 8x moves or 9x moves when you're playing this? I'm going to make this trade at the 33. So sell some DEF. Let's sell 48,753 and its decimals. So now we're left with 17 and then 30,000. Getting a little bit closer, I guess, to the target number. I could put a count for how many times you push enter. And if I do the quick move, how many times it automatically would have moved to that period. 18, maybe a buy. Not quite, not yet. Okay, 1,000, that would do it. So sell some DEF. Got a lot of them to sell, 30,000. Let's liquidate 18 of them. Double the ABC. So the last trade's at a little over 1,000. Okay, that's a big move. That was a 65% reduction, 212. So we'll sell that DEF some more. We have 12,000, so let's go 8,000 even. That's a pretty significant move. Pick up 37 of those coins. Now it's 70. And then 4,000. Neither one of them are at 10,000, but both of them higher than where we started off with. Last trade at 212. So therefore, like 500, breaking 100 type mathematics. So there we go. There's a break of 500. So sell some ABC. Maybe 40.504 of them. So with the last trade at 560. Well, now we're at 200. I want to go lower. Man, that sucks. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got it. 138. Let's do 18,647.839. So we have 8,160, inching my way closer. The last trade at 138. I'm going to... I'll have to wait this. We're not even close. That's got to go well in the double digits. And 422, I guess, will be the sale. We're selling ABC. Again, I'm not using other buys. I can do it if I wish to get to a certain period, or if I want to do it whichever way. But okay, I get 163, so I most certainly can go like say 93.769, do 10 more than the half. So it puts that to 70. With the last trade at 420, it's got to break over 1,000 or near 1,000, or go under 2. Well, that's 2. Well, that's not under it. And that's not enough under it. Neither is that. That still is, I take it. And now we're going to sell the DEF. So 47. Let's go 27, 364, 664. Leave back 20. And then now we have 250 of the ABC. Ratio last trade at 148. So we're looking at like close to 500 or like 60. Okay, well that's 621. So if 57 is 0.7 to sell, let's go 29.7. Did I do this right? Yeah, I did. Okay. I just sold the wrong amount. Okay, last trade 621, and that's up to 1165. I want higher. That's higher. I want even higher than that. Okay, that'll work. So with 223 on stock, let's go 133.805. So now we got 271,000 now, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. 1753 is the last trade. Got to be well below 1,000. I mean, well below 1,000. And it's got to be well over 4. Well, that's well below 1,000. So let's sell some DEF. Let's do 171, 135.536. So now we got 430, 100,000. So just to see here, if I were to sell 90,000, I'm not going to because it ain't going to be close. I would get 259. I'd still be far away from that number. So it's now we go 459. Now we will sell some DEF. Let's go 60,000. Getting us closer to winning the game as far as how I made my own particular rules for what a win is. Oh, 470 was nice. 530 is nicer. So that's 18.2. And with 530, we need better than 11, better than 12. And what was a 5? So for buy on 200. That's 12.95. Still would like better than like 14 even. Of course, it's not that anymore. There we go. So let's sell some of that, a lot higher, that ABC now. So 407.379. Bring it down to 350. So we're going to be looking to go like 700 or 4,000 area. That's 590. So let's sell some of that DEF. 443.528.971. And 745 would be at us. Now we're at 1,000 and 300. We're getting close. Only a few trades away. Last trade at 590. Well, that's pretty good. Let's go for better. That's better. Nice. That's sweet. Might make it a little faster to win this game. 500 and we got 1,095, so 795.064 would be a pretty good sale. Get us over 2 million. And with 26, a price pullback to 590ish area again would be interesting. 936, not bad. That was better. Oh, now we're looking at selling. That was volatile. That I didn't take. I could have won the game here, maybe. We'll see. We're selling ABC, so let's just sell. I don't want to sell at 4,000 if I sold at 26 last. 17, not quite good enough. $17 again. 920. Okay, that'll work. So let's do 1475212.583 and get 1590. So now 1890. Obviously, we're not going to be able to buy 8,000 on this next trade, but we're getting closer. If this goes over 2,000 or under 4, there's 469, but not quite. over 2,000, but I need more than that. That's more than that. And ABC is in at 1890, so let's go 1190.321. Okay, I think sometimes you push the wrong button, it can slow you down. I think I pushed 4 by mistake. 1190.321. I probably did it. Okay, what's 4? So the market went down, so we're going to go to, well, 900,000. We're selling DEF, so let's sell 500,000. That's not right. Is that 5 million? Nope. So let's sell it again. Market went down, so it's, no, it's a buy. It's a buy, yeah. Buy ABC, which is sell DEF. Okay, I don't know what's, okay, well, let's do 500,000. Is that all I'm getting? Is this even right? No, it's not. What am I thinking? It's sell here. Duh. And I bet a lot of you were thinking this for the last minute, like what I'm doing. I did this first as audio didn't work. Obviously, the audio will work here. And I'll keep the decimals on. Okay. Here I am trying to go out on this game, and that's like a... That's not bad to go. There we go. Now let's sell there. Alrighty, here we go. Now back in track. I think. I hope. I mean, this has got to be a boring video. But the link to the coding, again, more information box. The GUI, which stands for Graphics User Interface, has a lot to be desired, or leaves a lot to be desired. And now we're gonna need this thing to pull back, do whatever. It's gotta pull. They have wild moves though. I talked this would go above the Dow. Well, it's 45,000. So that's above the Dow. Now it's time to sell again. But I'm a long ways away from 10,000 ABC holdings at this ratio, though the price is going down a little bit. I'd like a little lower. There we go. So let's sell 10741,794.708. I think you get to the routine of everything. And then when you think you're doing, the routine just screws you over because, yeah, that's really how I think a lot of it is. When I was just struggling there for trying to make that trade, and the 2-4 button, like 8,100, do I want to buy it? I think I can go lower than that, or I'd rather go lower. And even lower than 78. There we go. So I have 8 million to sell. So that's just still decent ways away from 10,000 of them. Let's do 5 million. So there we have 1,300 now on the stretch drive, hopefully. And the price goes up to 13 and 31. So let's sell 767.23. So last trade at 31. Maybe we'll have a big rise again. Yeah, we'll take that one for a sale. With now 9,400 being the last trade, that's pretty good at 21. Wow, that was a big crash, 62 thirds. Because it was so high without a sale, I would have definitely would have liked to sell there. 43, I want lower. That's lower. So let's just do 5690162.312. Okay, it's getting closer. Only need 7,400 now. Price last at 23, so we can do some more selling of DEF. If I try to go out now, I got 3 million, so that would be 2,990,000, I think. Which I don't have enough to do, so I would only get me up to 5,000. So therefore, let's do of the 3 million, 1.75. Now it's up to 42. Last trade at the 1,000. It's up to 2. Let's do some selling. Now we got a lot to sell on this. So 2293.893. Last trade at 35. So at 15, if we do 827, let's just do like 9 million just to see. That wouldn't be enough, so let's do 5279892. So at 5,400 with the last trade at 15. Not quite able to sell. Got to 33. Maybe sell 37. Definitely sell 63. So having 5,400, let's do 3417.775. And 63 is the last trade. And now we're going to sell 15. Let's go higher. There's higher. And sell 1,200 of them. And if this thing goes to 1 million, this will take a little while to finish off. But it's heading that way, it seems. Let's sell some more. So 500 of the 800. Now I really got to accumulate like 9,700 of them. But now it's, let me see if it's 80 million or 8 million. It's 7430. It's 80 million. Okay, so 61 was the last trade. 25 is okay. I want lower though. There we go. So let's just do 51240,743.536 of them. Now we got that back up to the thousands again with 20,000 as the last trade. Of course, it's rising. Had the 60. Oh boy, that's even bigger. So let's sell 2022.62. Now, what strategies would be used to actually have the fastest time to go out? That I don't know. I would have to... I'm not going to check because I'm not going to try to become good at this particular game. But you'd have to see, do you go for smaller moves? And in a game, and will this game, especially this version of this game, be played on any grand major competitive level? On any type of like you see video games all the time, will this be on Twitch? As like the top rated game on Twitch? No, it won't. But I'm only saying this just to try to fill in time at this point. So, well, this thing got up to 3 frickin' million. Holy crap. I was kidding, but not when I said it. But in the outset, I said these moves were going to happen. So let's sell 450 of them. Okay, let's buy back around 1 million. I don't know. 10 million sell. It's at 5. Now 4, 7. I think there we go. 14 million. I guess we can sell some more. I got 250, so we can sell 150. Just crazy. Oh my goodness, this is just how high this goes up. I might as well sell some more. So we buy at 10 million now, I guess. 12 million. 100 million. Not quite. I go 120, I think. It's not making 120. I guess it did. Is that 26262? 32. Yeah, it looks that way. So, looks like we're selling some more of that big 40 ownership that we got. Okay. This has got to go down, right? Well, it isn't. It's going up. Well, now it's down to 165, so it's technically down from where I last sold it. I guess we can sell some DEF here. Let's go 5409231908.501 of them and pick up 53 of these things. I have no idea how many zeros are after that 7. I probably shouldn't have done that now that I think about it. So, well, the price, let's sell some more of the DEFs. There we go. Now I can, and I don't know how many 9s I got. I guess that was really too low of a number. I guess I could do it again. There we go. I'm in there. Now we can move from here on in. So last trade was right where we are at that 100 number. And it's going higher. Got to 200. Now lower. Now barely above the last trade. Barely below, barely above. Okay, nice to go lower. Nice to go lower. Now I'm not doing much. Now it's going higher. $300. I want. Oh, there we go. I guess I have to sell some of my 68. So I guess we'll go 48.487. Accumulate some DEFs. As I stated, it would take a long time if it were to go up back before it was like well below a million. But this is a buyback here. It's went from 423 to 109. I mean, it's went way down, I guess you could say. I guess we could sell 17355 173, and then 711 will go 556. 762, I'll put 3 numbers in, and then I'll put 2 more numbers in, and I'll get 157. Yeah, however many I sold, I bought 157 of the other. 100 number is going up, of course. I don't want it to. I want it to go down. Okay, there we go. Go down further. No, you go up. See, this is where I would need a commas in here to read things a little better. Of course, it's going way up to the point where I have to sell. I got 177 of them to sell. Okay, it looks like it went down from 490 to 180, but then it goes back up. It's got to. How high can this go? Oh my goodness, that would just broke the 2 decks. That's a 200%. This is. I don't even know what that number is, but I'm going to trade. I'm going to sell some ABCs. I know how many I'm going to sell. I don't know how many I'm going to buy. I'm going to sell 40, which will buy me over 8 handle. So I got 14, 2, 6, 7, 5, 5, 6, 2, 8, 5, 9 of the other coin, but I need 10,000 of each. And I can't get 10,000 of the ABC yet. That's an expensive coin, probably. Okay, down to 20. Okay, now it's down a bit, but there we go. Let's sell some of those DEFs now. So let's do 0, 6, 2, then the 675, I'll put some numbers in, 562, 859, and get 120. Okay. Let's see it go. Oh, down 45%. Let's see it go down even more. No, it's going up. And just wait for a significant move, but the price action is near last trade. There we go, down a bit to 211. Okay, 181. Down to 100. There we go. That's a 5x move. That's sweet. So let's just see what, let's do the sell. Let's do 501. So 155. I think I see 3 zeros. So 73. That should work. Yep. And I got 642 of those ABC now. So the last trade was 100. Let's see it go down, please. 10. There's a good move to the 58 handle. But then it goes back up and up some more. And up some more. Okay, starting to go down. But then back up again. And up again and a bit down. So what is that number? 69451. It looks like 56 million, I guess. 42. Now it's down over half. Nothing movements there. Barely small moving up. There we go. 250 handle. So we can sell some DEF. I see 3,000 as a number. So I'm just going to sell 1445. Then I see 447. I'll put any three numbers. The 9982. 1,200 of them, getting close to that 10. So the last trade at 254. Let's see, it's going up. Now it's up to 870. I guess I gotta sell some ABCs. Let's learn your ABCs, I guess, is what. Now 500 of them and over 1 million of the DEFs. And when I say over 1 million, over 1 billion as well. Okay, that's down 31%. That's okay. Down 19% to 570. Okay, let's go down more. Okay, I'll take the 260 handle. Sell some, let's do 470 and then 111 and then three numbers and then two more. 2,200. Closer, closer, down 15%. Down to the 15 handle, but I'd like to see it go down more. Of course, it goes up. Getting some good down action here. I can let's try to get more. Okay, not much movements. Oh, okay, it goes up, of course. Okay, 103 handle. Not bad. I still would like less. 65. I think we'll take that. So I see 3,000. Let's do 1992. I see a 103 number. Let's put three numbers in. I see 5409. So that's four more numbers. Or four more digits. Okay, now let's see if I sell them all. Or close to it. 100 754 70965. That's not enough. Oh, there's a good 47% down move, but I want more. 3. Now 9% down. 15 up. 40% up. Okay, 175 handle. Let's sell some DEF. Let's go 60, then the 754, then I see 709, and I see a 65. Okay, now I can, that's got to be buy ABC. Let's buy, I win. Let's see how many more can I buy 10 though? Can I buy 15,000 more? Nope. Okay, well there we go. There you have it. How long did it take to do this video? 40 minutes. I hope the sound works because if it's been going longer, sometimes it hasn't been taking it. Wow, you actually watched 40 minutes of this? Maybe you scrolled to the end. I don't blame you if you did. Take care.